Welcome to the Real Killer DM channel, a channel dedicated to the pursuit of fun through tabletop gaming. Hello game fans, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I built the fourth car in my epic Hot Wheels conversion series. This is car 4, Battleaxe, and this one's going to be a real beast, so buckle up. I put a nice, sweet, low pro brush guard on the front to help keep that race car aesthetic, that look, you know. Now I knew I was going to need more than just the big gun on top, so as a secondary weapon I added this really smooth 6-shot rocket launcher to it too. And don't worry, I will be going over that screen with a nice dull silver. Now I didn't use a whole lot of armor on this build because I wanted to go for speed, but I did think it was important to add a piece on the driver's side to protect from side bullets. Now for the main weapon, I had envisioned a huge gnarly gun, something like you would see on a tank. So I converted an old Warhammer axe that I had 3D printed into what looks like a turret with a long barrel, and that's going to be my main weapon. Yeah. So here's the part in the video where I ask you how you like it and what do you think. I think the screaming skull on the top just absolutely makes it, but you let me know. Okay, so here's where things got a little odd though. For some reason I felt like this needed to have a mermaid on the front, cutting through the wind, much like a mermaid on the old wooden ships used to cut through the water. Now time to move to the back of the car, and we're going to add that tombstone. Protects the fuel supply, the ammo, the engines, and sometimes the drivers. For anyone thinking about playing Gaslands, this game sucked me in. The car builds alone are just incredibly fun, and you don't have to have a 3D printer in order to do these. You can actually buy these parts online through Amazon, Etsy, eBay, any of those things. Now, if you know me, you know we've come to my favorite part, which is the painting, and while I enjoy it very, very much, I am not dumb enough nor good enough to think that I could teach someone else, so let's just simply say I painted it. And there you have it, folks, the step-by-step process of how I built the Hot Wheels conversion car number 4, Battleaxe, for the Gaslands game. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it inspiring. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a new subscriber. And stay tuned for more exciting builds. Until next time, this is the Real Killer DM saying, stay young, play with your toys.